The man was taking a pee when he suddenly noticed a golden gleam not far away. Curious, he brushed the sand off a rock and was shocked to discover a massive chunk of gold. He glanced back at his companion, hesitated for a moment but eventually called him over. The companion hurried over and was equally stunned. He immediately pulled out a lighter to test it, and sure enough, it was real gold. They eagerly began digging, only to realize that what was visible above ground was just the tip of the iceberg. The gold was far larger than they had ever imagined. No matter how much force they applied, the gold wouldn't budge an inch. They decided to use their vehicle to pull it out, but the rope snapped and the gold remained firmly embedded. Determined, they kept digging, trying to uncover its full size, but the deeper they dug, the more unimaginable the scale became. As nightfall approached, they realized they needed a new plan. The companion told Charlie that if they wanted to secure the gold, one of them had to stay behind to guard it, while the other went to fetch excavation equipment. Without hesitation, Charlie volunteered to stay and watch over the gold. At dawn, the companion left Charlie with half a barrel of water, 3 cans of food, and a satellite phone, then set off on his journey, the nearest village being 2 days away. What awaited Charlie in the vast desert was an arduous trial. He buried the gold under sand and tied a tarp to a nearby withered tree to create a makeshift shelter for shade. He gathered dead branches to make a fire for warmth and protection against wolves at night. The night passed swiftly. As soon as Charlie opened his eyes, his first instinct was to check on the gold. Thankfully, it was still there. However, the desert weather was unpredictable. Strong winds picked up, prompting him to collect more firewood. He covered the gold with stones and set out to search. It wasn't long before he stumbled upon the wreckage of a crashed plane.